Hello, how to love your husband in an arranged marriage. That's what we are looking at in this video today. Welcome to ThinkMarriage channel, where we showcase what works in marriage and relationships to help you reach your relationship goals and live a happy life to the max. We must first clear the air about the status of your husband in an arranged marriage. It was arranged and you accepted. We are not discussing forced marriage here, please. Perhaps we would address that one some other time in another video. So someone arranged for you and your husband to marry, and you agreed. That's why you got married to him. Two cannot walk together except they agree, okay? That it was arranged doesn't make him less of a man and make you less of a woman. Each of you has a heart that beats for the other. Love is actually a choice you make. If you married him, there's no looking back. Love him. Do you think you would have more love for him if you met him one-on-one at Jupiter or Mars? No, love doesn't work that way. When it comes to relationships and marriage in particular, to love your spouse is a choice, a decision you make. No one will do it for you. There's something in or about him that made you say yes in the first place. Could you call that to mind and allow your love for him blossom? I once arranged a meeting between a young man and a young woman. They fell in love and got married. Their love for each other is mind-blowing, but that's a decision they arrived at on their own after I introduced them. They have been married for about 10 years now. I've never heard any complaint whatsoever from any of them. Please don't let anyone or anything make you feel less loving because your marriage was arranged. Someone first thought both of you were special. That's why they introduced you to each other. Now you need to explore what makes him special. Also explore what makes him special for you. Why him and not the other man? Write your findings down. Encourage and support his growth or expansion in those areas of special interest. Appreciate his every kindness. Get to know who he really is by talking a lot more with him and listening intently to him as he talks. Build good and deep friendship. It's difficult to have a deep and lasting love for someone you hardly know. Yes, there's love at first sight, but to sustain that love, you must grow love deep roots in friendship. Build this friendship daily. Communicate a lot more with him and you will see your love for him waxing harder and harder. We are glad you now know how to love your husband in an arranged marriage. Next, add action to your knowledge. Please be part of our Think Marriage community. Let's read how you love your husband in an arranged marriage. Do leave your questions and comments below and like and share this video. Also click the subscribe button if you haven't already to know when next Think Marriage uploads another power-packed video like this one. Thank you. See you at another video. Goodbye.